Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will see the meaning of modulation and types of modulation and application of modulation in real life. First, meaning of modulation. Modulation is a fundamental concept in communication system that plays a crucial role in transmitting information efficiently and reliable over various channels. It involves the modification of a carrier signal by embedding the desired information within it. This process enables the transfer of data over long distance and through different mediums such as wires, optical fibers, and wireless channels. Modulation is the process of converting data into radio waves by adding information to electronic or optical carrier signal. A carrier signal is one with a steady waveform, constant height or amplitude and frequency. The below figure shows the how modulation works. First we give the input as message signal and the modulation is processed by adding a carrier signal and it gives output as modulated signal. The next one is types of modulation. First one, amplitude modulation. Amplitude modulation is a technique it changing the amplitude of the carrier signal with respect to modulating signal, keeping frequency and phase constant. The below waveform shows the how amplitude modulation works. It only changes the amplitude of the carrier signal. The next one is frequency modulation. Frequency modulation is a type of modulation technique. It changes the frequency of a carrier signal with respect to modulating signal, keeping phase and amplitude constant. The below waveform shows the how frequency modulation works. It changes the frequency of a carrier signal and keeping phase and amplitude constant. The next one is phase modulation. Phase modulation is another type of modulation technique. It changes the phase of the carrier signal with respect to modulating signal, keeping the frequency and amplitude constant. The below waveform shows the working of phase modulation. It changes only the phase of carrier signal, keeping the frequency and amplitude constant. The next one is need for modulation and its application in real life. The first one is radio broadcasting. Modulation is used extensively in radio broadcasting to transmit audio over the airwaves. In amplitude modulation, the amplitude of high frequency carrier wave is varied in accordance with the audio signal, allowing it to carry the sound information. Frequency modulation is another widely used technique in which the frequency of the carrier wave is modulated to encode the audio signal. The next one is television broadcasting. Modulation is essential for transmitting video and audio signal in television broadcasting. Analog television system use amplitude modulation for video signal and frequency modulation for the audio signal. The next one is wireless communication. Modulation is the key to wireless communication systems including cellular networks, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and satellite communication. These systems rely on various modulation techniques such as phase shift keying, frequency shift keying and quadrature amplitude modulation to transmit data over the air efficiently. The next one is internet connectivity. Modulation is crucial in providing reliable and high-speed internet connectivity. Modulation enables us to access the internet seamlessly, browse websites, stream videos and communicate through various online platforms. The next one is medical applications. Modulation finds application in medical devices and imaging technologies. In medical imaging, techniques like ultrasound and magnetic resonance imaging rely on modulating waves to generate detailed images of the human body. Implantable medical devices like pacemaker and cochlear implants modulation is used to transmit the signals and instruction within the body. These are all the needs and application of modulations. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.